Did you know? Effective money management can completely transform your financial future. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial habits, small changes can make a huge impact. Understanding how money works is the first step toward gaining control of your financial situation. In today's video, we'll explore the top 10 tips to help you manage your money like a pro. Tip number 1, set clear financial goals. To manage your money effectively, you need to know where you're going. Setting clear financial goals gives you a roadmap to follow. Break them down into short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals to make them more achievable. Tip number 2, create a budget. Creating a budget is one of the most important things you can do for your finances. A well-thought-out budget helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you're spending within your means and saving enough for your future. Tip number 3, track your spending. By tracking every expense, you can identify areas where you're overspending. There are plenty of apps available to help you track your spending, making this process easy and efficient. Tip number 4, build an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses are inevitable. Having an emergency fund in place ensures you're prepared for any financial surprises. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Tip number 5, pay off high-interest debt first. Debt can quickly spiral out of control if not managed properly. Focus on paying off high-interest debt, like credit cards, first. Once that's cleared, you'll have more room to focus on saving and investing. Tip number 6, save before you spend. The key to building wealth is saving consistently. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account before you spend any money each month. This pay-yourself-first approach helps you prioritize your financial future. Tip number 7, invest early and often. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or other investment vehicles, starting early can make a huge difference in building wealth. Tip number 8, diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments helps spread risk. A mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets allows you to weather market volatility and achieve more stable long-term growth. Tip number 9, avoid impulse purchases. Impulse purchases can wreck your budget. Practice mindful spending by evaluating your purchases and asking yourself if they are truly necessary before making a decision. Tip number 10, review your financial plan regularly. Life changes, and so should your financial plan. Regularly review your financial goals, budget, and investments to make sure you're on track to achieve your objectives. Adjust as necessary to stay aligned with your goals. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the idea of managing your money, don't worry. It's all about taking it step by step. Start small and build good financial habits over time. Remember, financial freedom isn't about earning a lot of money. It's about managing the money you already have in the smartest way possible. It's a skill that anyone can learn. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more useful financial advice. Managing your money like a pro isn't about being perfect. It's about consistency and making smarter decisions every day. Start implementing these tips and watch your financial situation improve. Discipline, patience, and the right mindset, you'll be able to grow your wealth and take control of your financial future. Remember, small steps lead to big results. Financial literacy is key to understanding how to make your money work for you. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in making smart financial choices. One of the best things you can do for your financial future is to educate yourself. Understanding where your money is going and how to make it grow is a powerful tool in your financial toolkit. Don't let money stress you out. The tips we shared today will help you regain control of your finances and pave the way to a more secure and prosperous future. If you're just starting out, take it slow. Make one small change at a time, and over time, you'll start seeing positive results. it all starts with taking the first step. Remember, managing your money is a journey, not a destination. Stay consistent, stay focused, and continue learning as you go. You've got this. As you progress in your financial journey, don't be afraid to seek professional help if needed. Financial advisors can provide personalized advice that aligns with your unique goals. Lastly, always stay patient. Building wealth takes time, and there will be ups and downs along the way. But with the right mindset and strategies, you'll be well on your way to financial success. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's make this journey to financial freedom together. By adopting these habits and sticking to your financial, it might seem difficult at first, but the rewards will be worth it. Now that you have these top tips for managing your money, it's time to put them into action. Remember, the most important part of financial management is consistency. Take a moment to evaluate your current financial situation. Are you on track to meet your goals? Setting small, achievable goals will help you stay motivated. Whether it's paying off debt or building your emergency fund, every little step brings you closer to your Managing money is a life skill that everyone needs, but not everyone is taught. With the right information and mindset, anyone can learn to manage their finances like a pro. As you implement these tips, don't forget to celebrate your victories along the way, no matter how small. Every step forward is progress. With discipline and determination, you'll find that managing your money is not only possible, but can become second nature. Stay consistent, and you'll reap the rewards. Once you've mastered these basic money management skills, you'll be ready to take on more advanced topics, like investing and building wealth through passive income streams. Money management isn't just about keeping track of what you spend. It's about making intentional decisions that move you closer to your financial goals every day. If you're feeling overwhelmed, remember that it's okay to take it one step at a time. Start with small changes and gradually build the habits that will lead to financial success. Take control of your financial future now by starting with these simple tips. Managing your money like a pro can be life-changing and will give you the confidence to make smarter decisions. Once you've built good money habits, the next step is to continue educating yourself on the best financial practices. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in managing your finances. Don't wait until tomorrow to start managing your money better. The best time to start is right now. Take the first step today, and you'll be amazed at how quickly things can improve. It's never too late to start managing your money like a pro. Whether you're just beginning or have been managing your finances for years, these tips will help you take your money management to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more videos like this. Together, we'll work toward achieving financial success. By following these tips, you'll have the tools you need to manage your money like a pro and set yourself up for long-term financial success. Remember, money management is a skill you can develop over time. The more you practice these habits, the easier it will become to manage your finances effectively. With the right mindset, planning, and strategies, you can achieve financial freedom and live a life free from financial stress. That's it for today's video. I hope these tips will help you manage your money more effectively. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful financial advice. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more videos like this. Keep learning, stay disciplined, and watch your financial situation improve.